Good afternoon, and this is my student video introduction for a wellness lifestyle. My name is Massimo Garcia. I am currently a junior. I am majoring in biology and kinesiology. I am from Laredo, Texas, and I attended John B. Alexander High School. So my career goal is to become an MD in sports medicine, and the reason why this is my goal is because growing up I had always been interested in both sports and in medicine. So growing up, I had my own little doctor set, and I was always involved with sports. So my parents actually gave me the idea to become an actual sports medicine doctor in the future, and plus my uncle's a very well-known sports medicine doctor back home. So this is where I got the inspiration and the motivation to become a sports medicine doctor when I'm older. One interesting fact about me is that I'm part Italian. That's where my first name comes from. My grandfather was born and raised in Italy and then immigrated over here to the United States, and that's how our family became whole. So, one interesting fact about me is that I'm part Italian. My prior knowledge to wellness is about basically an individual's health and working out. Growing up, when I heard the word wellness, I always thought about the gym. So every time I still hear wellness, I just think about, working out, eating right, just about someone's health and just, working out. What I expect from this class is I expect to learn the proper meaning of the word wellness itself. I'm very interested to see what this course is actually about. I'm hoping it's more to just wellness itself. I'm pretty sure there's a variety of stuff that involves around the world of wellness. So I'm very excited to see what's in store for this class. And I also expect to increase my knowledge in this subject and further into my major courses. Thank you.